in the rising and the falling. I got my hands up in the air, a heart that beats like thunder. I'm wide-eyed in the wonder. You can take me anywhere. It's the thrill of the adventure. It's anything but safe. Not every day is soaring, but I never call it boring. Yeah, that's a life of faith. All that I am, I have given you, Lord. Here I surrender, my future is yours. This life is mine, this life is not my own. My hands are open, I'm all yours to use. I'll go where you lead, do what you want me to. This life is mine, this life is not my own. A lot of road before me, I don't know where it's leading to. It might be ordinary or something kinda scary. It's up to you to choose. I know that you'll be faithful. All your promises are true. You're the one who writes my story, the God who goes before me, and I'm gonna trust you.